Hey guys, are you a recent graduate of a PTA program getting ready to study for the NPTE? Or a past graduate who may not have been successful the first time you took the NPTE? Or even a program director looking for resources for your students? My name is Christine McLaughlin, and I'm here to tell you that the Instructor Brooks campus and his Battle Plan 2.0 are great resources to help students study for the NPTE. Two years ago, I took over a program that didn't have pass rates that were meeting the CAPTE standards. I started putting together my own boot camp where students met with me 6 weeks prior to the NPTE to really help tailor their studying. We took additional practice tests and I gave them lots of reading materials, but there was something missing. I reached out to Instructor Brooks and he showed me his Battle Plan 2.0. Once adding this to my boot camp, our pass rates have gone up drastically and we now meet the CAPTE standards. So if you are looking for a way to study and a way to focus on the right content previous to the NPTE, I highly suggest that you reach out to Instructor Brooks and check out his Battle Plan 2.0.